Hello everyone, greetings to you from Uddhar. On 24th of March, the nationwide lockdown was announced by our Prime Minister, and that lockdown was announced for 21 days. And then the second phase of lockdown was imposed on 14th of April, and this lockdown will go till 3rd of May. And looking at the growing cases, there is a high possibility that the lockdown would be extended. So what is happening during this lockdown time, especially with the migrant laborers, the rag pickers and the construction laborers? They are unable to go out and they are unable to work. Their wages are taken away, and because of that they are starving, they are battling with hunger. And Uddhar, since the lockdown was announced, is toiling in terms of procuring the grain from the market, then packing it and distributing it to the migrant laborers in this city of Nagpur. So far we have distributed grocery and hygiene items to more than 1,000 families. So when we share this data, it humbles us, and this 1,000 is still a small figure because the need is huge. There are thousands of migrant laborers living in this city, and we still need to reach out to many. We are getting requests over the phone every day, and we are also working with the police department of the city, and we also get calls from the control room. So we are providing grocery and hygiene items to our identified people, beneficiaries, as well as whenever we get calls from the control room, we attend those needs also. Along with that, we are providing sanitary napkins to the women living in the shelter home. That is the most important need that we are addressing at this point of time. And we have provided sanitary napkins to 150 women so far, and there is still more need. 150 is a very small number. We have packed another 400 kits today, which we will distribute in this next week, and we will still need grocery, and we will need other hygiene items. And we are really thankful to the people, those who are standing with us, those who are supporting this work, those who are trusting us. Even though you have not seen the beneficiaries, but you understand the pain and the suffering, and you want to extend that helping hand to them, and we are so thankful to you for that. Our team is working honestly, wholeheartedly, committedly. They are toiling every day, and it takes a lot of commitment from their side to come to the distribution point and work hard and then go for distribution. So we just want to thank you for all the help that you have provided so far, and we believe that you are going to stand with us even as we continue our relief work in the days to come. When lockdown is going to be extended, people would need help. Maybe the beneficiaries whom we have helped in the first phase, they would need help again, because they are not able to go out and work yet. So they are still dependent on the help that is being given to them. So we may have to attend to them also. So we request you to please continue to stand with us, continue to support our work, and continue to pray for us. Thank you so much. On behalf of Uddhar, our entire team of Uddhar, all our volunteers, just want to thank you from the bottom of our heart for standing with us during this war. Thank you so much.